If you are looking for a way whereby you can earn money online daily, I believe the solution is here. If you truly want to have a way where you can earn passive income or residual income, I believe that the solution is here at your doorstep. Very hot and profitable cryptocurrency you need to buy now. I mean now. Okay, because it has been established and it is well known that one of the ways whereby you can make money online is through cryptocurrency. But it is quite unfortunate that till now many people, they don't know the power in cryptocurrency to give them wealth in a very short period of time. Okay, so I will start by saying that cryptocurrency is just a digital currency. It's the same like US dollar, it's the same like Naira, it's the same like your local currency, but this one is a digitalized one. So, and it is created by some mathematical and algorithms, by computer mathematics. So I don't want to go deep into the definition of cryptocurrency because I know that is not a new topic. But what I want to tell you for sure is that you can earn online, you can make money online, you can earn passive income, you can earn residual income in cryptocurrency. But you just need to have the right information. You need to know the right coin to buy at the right time, because cryptocurrency is very, very volatile in nature. What I mean by volatile is that it can increase in price and it can also depreciate in price at any time without any information, without any prior notice. Okay, so that is the reason why you just need to have the right information. You need to seek advice from those that are experts in this field so that you can know the right one to buy at a particular point in time. Okay, so this video is all about very hot and profitable cryptocurrency you need to buy now. So I will show you some coins, some cryptocurrency assets that you can have that can save in your portfolio for now. And I'm very, very sure in a very short period of time, you can make huge amount of money from it. For instance, if you buy a coin and it rises by 100%, it rises by 1000%, in let's say in a year, I think it's really worth it. It's really worth it. So just tell me that particular job that can do, that can give you 100% investment, that can give you 100% profit on your capital in a very short period of time. Let's even say in a year. So, but this is what cryptocurrency can give you overnight. But I'm not saying that you are going to invest in this coin and get the result overnight. But if you can just hold it for some period of time, maybe for 2 months, 3 months or more, I'm very, very sure, I'm confident about it that you will surely make something huge out of it. Alright, so I will be showing you those coins that you need to buy. But before I go deep into this video, I say welcome to Lasogeni Beanstalk. This channel is created to share with you my ideas on online investment, on how you can make money online. So it's just to share with you some ways whereby I personally makes money online. Okay, it's all about financial education and not financial advice. Okay, so if you are new on this channel, it is very, very important that you subscribe and click on the notification bell. Set it to all notification for it to be continually aware or notified whenever I upload new video, whenever I give out new financial education video like this. Okay, if you have any question concerning this video or any of the contents on Lasogeni Beanstalk, then feel free to send your message to me through this email address, chat me up on WhatsApp, call me on my phone, then join our Telegram channel also for frequent financial education announcements. All right, so don't forget to subscribe. It's very, very important. So quickly, once again, what we are considering today is very hot and profitable cryptocurrency you need to buy now. So quickly, let me take you to the coin market cap. So this is coin market capitalization. So it's just the list of the common cryptocurrency in the world. So it lists them based on their price, their total supply, their market supply, and some other statistics about them. So all the common cryptocurrency in the world, they are listed here. So not all the cryptocurrency in the world are here in CoinMarketCap, but the major ones are here, are listed on CoinMarketCap. We have thousands, if not millions, of cryptocurrency around the world, but you just need to know those that you need to buy at a particular point in time, and you need to know the exchange site that you need to get them. So because there are some exchange sites that they are very vulnerable to attack. So you need to know the sites, the exchange site to buy them, and how to keep them, how to keep your coin, your cryptocurrency assets. Okay, so that is what I'm going to be sharing with you. So now this is coin market capitalization, and the first coin, the first coin here is Bitcoin, which is still the leader of all cryptocurrency, and right now it is $61,551, $61,552 now. In the month of I think March or April, Bitcoin attained the all-time high, that is the all-time high of $63,000, but as from then it fell back to around $30,000. So and right now it is back to 61,000. In last 2 days, 3 days, it got to $65,000. So it has set another record. It has set another all-time high price of $65,000, I guess so. So but right now it has fell back to $61,000. So this is natural. This is the characteristic, the feature of cryptocurrency, which is their volatility. They are not stable. They are not stable coin. There are some stable coins which are cryptocurrency, like this Tether. Tether is a stable coin and it's also a cryptocurrency. It is equivalent to US dollar. That is $1. It's also $1. I can even say that it is US dollar crypto. All right, so now Bitcoin is now $61,000, which means that it is very, very close to its all-time high. So right now we are experiencing another bull run. So that is the reason why all these coins, they are moving up, they are appreciating in price, in value. Okay, so you just need to rise across with the tide. Okay, you just need to know that there is a time whereby we are experiencing bull run, and bull run is a period of time whereby cryptocurrency assets appreciate in price. Okay, so that is the period that we are right now. So let me show you something here. See, so there are some information here that you just need to take cognizance of. Okay, now you can see the biggest gainers here. This is 19,979.93%. So it means that this coin it's increased by 19,979.93%. So for those people that have invested in this coin, this is what they might have gotten in that particular period of time. But that is not where we are going. Now, these are the coins that I would like you to get. No matter the price of the coin, no matter what is happening in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is still the leader. So no matter how juicy other cryptocurrency might be, I will still advise you to get Bitcoin. And now the other coin that I would like you to get is Binance Coin. Binance Coin is a coin that is originated by the biggest cryptocurrency exchange site in the world. Which is Binance, and this is the token that is originated by this exchange site. Okay, so now if Binance is the biggest exchange site in the world, then there is every tendency for their coin to increase in price. When Binance exchange site, when they launched their coin in 2017, it was below $1, but right now you can see it is now above $500. So, and the total supply is still it can be compared, or it is very, very similar to that of Bitcoin. So it has every tendency to rise. Okay, so just make sure that you get this coin, Binance Coin. So you can just go ahead to get Binance Coin, BNB. All right, so another coin that I would like you to get is this coin. I did a video like 2 weeks ago about cryptocurrency to buy, and where I highlighted some coins, and in which Shiba Inu is one of them. Dogecoin is also one of them. Imagine within 7 days, see here, 7 days, Shiba Inu rose by 145.72%. 145.72%. So if you invested $100 in Shiba Inu coin in 7 days ago, then you will have earned extra $145 now. So if you invested $1,000 in Shiba Inu 7 days ago, by this time you would have earned 1,450 US dollars. So that is the power in cryptocurrency to bring you wealth. But you just need to be very, very patient, because you can buy the coin now and it will start falling in price. Okay, so now the price of Shiba Inu coin is still very, very small, very, very small. I still implore you to buy this coin, Shiba Inu coin. It is now 0.00006931. So we still have 4 zeros before the digits. So you can see that it is very, very small, very, very small. $10 investment, $10 worth of Shiba Inu coin can give you up to 1, can give you like 100,000, like 1 million coin, or let's say yes, like 1 million coin, or let's do the calculation. 0.12344 zeros. So let's do the calculation. 10 divided by 0.1234691. So that is 144,279 token. So you'll be given, you will have 144,000 plus of Shiba Inu coin with just $10. So now let's assume this coin, maybe after 3, 4, 5, 6 years, it is now sold at $1. The price is now $1. That means you have $144,000. So your $10 would have turned to $144,000 in just, like, let's say, I'm just assuming, in 5 years. Let's say that it takes Shiba Inu 5 years to get to $1 per coin. So I believe waiting for 5 years is not too far. It's not too far. I think it's really worth it concerning this particular cryptocurrency. And what I'm saying, it can be achieved within 2 years. It can be achieved within a very short period of time. It is very, very possible. Very, very possible. So, and also Dogecoin. In January this year, Dogecoin was very, very low. It's still below 1 cent. But right now, it is now 27 cents. So I will advise you to buy Bitcoin, buy BNB, that is Binance Coin, buy Shiba Inu coin, and buy Dogecoin. Whenever Shiba Inu turns to, let's say that whenever it clears one zero like this, whenever one of this zero is cleared, that means you have times 10 of your investment, and we still have 4 zeros before the digit here. Okay, so this is an opportunity that you can't afford to miss. Just go ahead and buy this coin now, Shiba Inu, and also you can buy Dogecoin. Buy Dogecoin, buy Bitcoin, buy Shiba Inu, buy Binance Coin, and also buy Litecoin. So Litecoin, though, is $192, so you can still buy a unit, and also buy KuCoin, KCS. Let me search for it here. It is very, very similar to Binance Coin, KuCoin. Yes, KCS is very, very similar to Binance Coin. You can see it is now $18. So it also rose by 3.86 in Bitcoin and 4.93 in Bitcoin in the last 24 hours. So, and the total supply is also 170 million, very, very similar to that of Bitcoin and Binance Coin. So if Bitcoin, which the total supply is just 17 million, and it has gotten to that stage, and I believe that those coins that are not too much in circulation can also get to that in a short period of time. So it's just a matter of time. So you just need to be very, very patient. Buying crypto asset is not an overnight way of earning money. It's not an overnight way of making money online. You just need to buy them, secure your account, secure your wallet, keep it in a very secure place, and come there maybe once in a month or in 2 months to check. Because if you should be checking this every day, whenever there is decrease in the price, there might be a panic in your heart that, oh, my coin, my crypto asset is reducing in value. But I can assure you that it will surely bounce back, though how long is what no one can predict. In 2017 December, Bitcoin was around 20,000 US dollar, and in 2018 and 2019 it fell from $20,000 to $3,000 till last year, when it began to rise in value back. And you can see today, if someone should now sell it off when it was $3,000, and now when Bitcoin is now $61,000, you can see that person will be in a great regret. So that is what I have for you today. Don't forget, it is very, very important to subscribe to this channel for continual information on how to make money online. So these are the coins that I would like you to buy in conclusion: Bitcoin, Binance Coin, Shiba Inu Coin, Dogecoin, and Litecoin. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget, it is very, very important, subscribe to this channel. If you have any question to ask concerning this video, or how to get it, how to buy it, you can contact me through my WhatsApp here, call me on phone, message me on my email, and join our Telegram channel. So for you to get all these coins that I've mentioned, just check the description box of this video. I'm going to drop a link for you to get registered on Binance and buy all these coins. So just check the description box of this video. You are going to see a link on how to buy those coins, on how to register on Binance exchange site, because Binance exchange site is the biggest exchange site in the world where you can buy all your crypto assets. So thank you so much for watching this video once again. So meet me in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye for now. I love you all.